What's up, YouTube? This is the first part of my Mexican food series. Now, before we get started, let me ask you a question. Have any of you actually taken a taco seasoning pack, flipped it over, and looked at the ingredients on it? Well, today you're going to, whether you want to or not. No, just kidding. But seriously, let's take a look at this. In the ingredients, we have chili pepper, maltodextrin, which is a type of sugar, salt, onion powder, spice, cornstarch, sea salt, potassium magnesium chloride, more salt, vegetable oil, canola, soybean and or sunflower oil, corn flour, silicon dioxide, citric acid, sugar, and natural flavor. So we have maltodextrin and sugar. We have two types of sugar in one packet of taco seasoning. That's crazy. Why do you need sugar in taco seasoning? Well, you don't. So today I'm going to show you how to make an easy taco seasoning without all the crap in it that you don't need. This is a lot healthier for you and it's cheaper in the long run, so stay tuned. Cue the mariachi music and let's get started. Alright, for this you'll need, first of all, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1½ teaspoons ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Now for this I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever salt you like. Now all we have to do is just combine the ingredients into a plastic container, preferably with a locking lid. Snap our lid in place, shake it up, and your taco seasoning is done. And that's enough for around 2 batches of tacos, or you can use it for burritos as well, or on the meat on a nacho. It's universal. So very simple, a lot better for you than the store-bought brands. They have sugar and oils and anti-caking agents and all sorts of stuff that you just don't need. Hey guys, if you like this video, smash the like button and hit subscribe so I can keep bringing you more videos.